Yes, you don't know no Challa Blacks. Welcome back to Challa Blacks YouTube channel. Right? You know the slogan, health over wealth. And in Jamaica, it's the big trucker pass, big trailer trucker make nice. But you don't know, nothing beat nature. So welcome back again to Challa Blacks YouTube channel. Right now, I'm in a favorite spot in Jamaica. It's called Border. Alright? And the reason why it's called Border, sorry about the noise, but I'm right at the roadside as you can see. A big truck right here. So yes, we're at a very, very popular place in Jamaica called Border. And in Jamaica, when it's called Border, it's because it's a joining of two parishes. And for the person who living overseas, it would be like you're saying state or Providence, right? So it's Westmoreland, a parish called Westmoreland, and a parish called St. Elizabeth. That's the border of those two. Very popular place. This is where you come and get, it's like one of the fish capital. There's another fish capital I would want to say is like Port Royal, but this one is also another fish capital on the south side of Jamaica, because right now we're on the south side of Jamaica. Port Royal would be on the east in the Kingston areas. So now I'm gonna take you over to the place where we go and get these healthy food, right? And you know the channel is health over wealth. So now we're gonna walk. So we're gonna take you over to the place where it's one of my favorite spots. Every time I'm in Jamaica, I have to come here. All right. So next time you come into Jamaica, you have to visit this side. As I said, it's on the south side. They call it Border, and as I've already explained why they call it Border, it's between two parishes, as we would say, state overseas or Providence. Depends on where you live overseas. But you have to make a trip to this spot. If I come to Jamaica and I don't come here, then that means I wasn't in Jamaica. It has to be that spot, right? All right, so it has all the best things that you can ever imagine to eat, and it's a very friendly place. Bear that in mind. It's very, very friendly. So here's one of the vendors. Seems like the name said, if you want to show the name, it said Miss Betsy Fish Place. She wants to show you a display, a presentation of what? A presentation of fish. And right here, as you see, she has the fried fish with the onions and the pepper, escabeche. Oh my God, delicious. I don't have to say more. You understand? Okay, so we're gonna move up. So yes, as I said, and as you see, there was a bottle of honey I didn't show you, but that those are organic, pure honey from the bees. You know, I didn't show you the honey. But as I was saying again, you have to make sure that when you're in Jamaica, you have to stop here. Have to. It's a must that you have to stop at this location. Must stop place, the Border, right? Alright, so you get the best soup here. You get the best soup. You get the best soups, the best fish, the best, we said conch, but in America they say conch, right? You get the best of those things. Steamed, fried, roast, baked, whichever way you want it. All right. As you see, all the cars going over. You can see all the cars. So it's a must-stop place when you come to Jamaica, no matter where you are from the world. It's a very, very friendly place also. So I know people might say certain things, but trust me, it's friendly. The vendors are very friendly. The persons who sells here are very friendly persons, very friendly oriented place, right? The ambience is excellent. All right, the ambience at Border is excellent. You're welcome like you're at your own home. Trust me. So as you see, I'm gonna take you to my favorite spot that I like, the steam and stuff like that. See, like right here, the coconut jelly water with the jelly inside. You know what I mean? The jelly, we cut it, we eat out the jelly, Everything is here, and everything is all natural, organic. All right. So yes, again, I'm gonna keep emphasizing. When you're in Jamaica, you have to come to the border. No matter which part of the world you are from, you have to stop here. You have to stop here. You know, so as I said, can't emphasize it. It's very friendly. The ambience is excellent. All right. So we're coming up. Here you have a stuff that they call bami. The bami, this one is already prepared to eat. This one is already prepared to eat. This one, it's here for you, but you'll just fry it when you go home or bake it, whichever way you want to do it, right? And this is made from cassava. At this point, I don't remember the botanical name, but I'll leave it in the description below, the botanical name. But cassava is what it's called. We have it in the supermarket in New York a lot also. And here is a hot spot, right? This is my favorite spot about it, because you know my channel say health over wealth, right? So what they have here is steam. Right here is the grill. This is the steam punk. So last video that we have in New York. Well, this time I'm not in New York. I'm actually, as I said, in border. So as I tell you before, what a border is between the two parishes, right? Okay, so here is the breadfruit. You see how right here, this is the cassava. Come close. This is the bami. See the little pot? That's where they're doing that. And if you see, if you take up that pot or this one, you'll see the wood fire. All right, so everything is all natural, organic, authentic. Here you go, the wood fire, right? And that's the bami that he's prepared. All right. Again, here's the pudding pan. If he comes around, let them see the pudding pan of fish, and it's happening right here. This is where all the miracle happen. Right here, you see this. It's happening right here. It's happening right here. This is where it's happening. As you see underneath, again. See there? It's the wood fire. All right? Again. Okay. And this is where, and this is the original, this is the original snapper, right?
I'm trying it.
So she's preparing it to get it fried, or if you want it steamed, whichever way you want it, they will do it. And if you look back here.
There's the ocean.
You look back here. Everything is natural. If you look back here, so the cameraman can keep up with me. Back here, look. This is the fish coming in fresh. Everything is all natural, all fresh, local. They just catch the fish. As you see, he's cleaning up the fish, he's preparing the fish. So get ready to either steamed, broiled, roast, fried, you know. Same thing we're doing, all right? Now, see, we are right at the seaside. We're right at the seaside. I'm sorry that I can't go over, but I'm pretty sure that the cameraman can come closer so that the people they can see come closer. And if you look over there, you can see the boat. Can you see the boat? Those are the boats that coming in. That's the ocean. If you look, if he comes right here, where I'm at, he can definitely show you the ocean from where it's coming from. And those are the boats over there. All right. Okay. So now we're gonna go back. So yes, keep it rolling. You see what's going on in Jamaica, on the south side of Jamaica, right? And remember, see the ambience that I told you? So if you come, you have all these tables, round tables, square table for family. If you have big family, they're here to accommodate you the best way possible. As I said, the ambience is excellent.
And the food is excellent also.
No, the food is phenomenal. Phenomenal.